No.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I got a tutorial on the Y2K Rollover. So I forgot what I was gonna say. So to do the move, the trick, all you gotta do is hold it on the bite handle near the pivots like this, pinching with your point finger and thumb, right? Or the middle finger. And go here. You're gonna flick out the safe handle so it goes around your thumb like this. Wow. Momentum should bring it down here, and then you could just flick it back up, or you could wrist test it. Alright, it does look pretty flashy when it's in motion. It's like, whoa, circle is whoa, like that. And then once you get here you step. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, hope you learned something.
Take care of you.